Hey guys, so this is how geothermal energy is made. So in case you didn't know, geothermal energy is energy that we make from the magma inside of Earth's core. So here's a bunch of magma, and what it does is it warms up these subterranean water pockets. So these water pockets get really hot and generate steam, and they're under a lot of pressure. So we can use that steam to our advantage. Also, this is coal. It's a fossil fuel, and it's kind of gross because it damages the environment. It makes CO2 when you burn it. So we should stop using it. We should use geothermal. So this is the steam that we made. So the steam goes up through the ground, and we use it to turn a turbine, and the turbine generates electricity. So this isn't actually moving, but in real life it would be. So once we generate our electricity, we can use it to power all sorts of appliances. I've powered a light bulb here. It's a really big light bulb because I can generate a lot of electricity. So here's my electric power plant. Geothermal energy is pretty nice because relative to fossil fuels, it doesn't do a whole lot of environmental damage. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and if you're watching at night, have a great night.